Jamaica, known for its stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and lush landscapes, faces a pressing environmental challenge: garbage pollution. Despite the country's natural beauty, improper waste management practices have led to significant environmental and health concerns. This video will try to shed some light on the issue of garbage pollution in Jamaica, its causes, impacts, and the urgent need for effective solutions. First, we'll take a look at causes of garbage pollution. Well, several factors contribute to the escalating garbage pollution problem in Jamaica. For example, number 1, inadequate waste management infrastructure. Insufficient infrastructure for waste collection, separation, and disposal poses a significant challenge. Many areas lack proper garbage bins, recycling facilities, and waste treatment plants, leading to haphazard disposal practices. Number 2, poor public awareness and education. Limited knowledge about waste management, recycling, and the environmental impacts of garbage pollution contribute to the problem. Public awareness campaigns and education initiatives are essential for fostering responsible waste disposal habits. Number 3, littering and illegal dumping. Irresponsible littering and illegal dumping add to the pollution issue. Some individuals and businesses dispose of garbage in public spaces, rivers, coastal areas, gullies, sometimes even out the windows of vehicles, degrading the natural beauty of the island. Impacts of garbage pollution. Garbage pollution in Jamaica has severe consequences for both the environment and the public health. For example, the ecosystem degradation. Plastic waste in particular poses a significant threat to marine ecosystems. Marine animals mistake plastic debris for food, leading to ingestion and entanglement, which often proves fatal. Additionally, garbage pollution disrupts natural habitats and contributes to soil and water contamination. Health risks. Improper waste disposal and accumulation contribute to the spread of diseases and health hazards. Garbage acts as a breeding ground for disease-carrying insects, leading to increased risk of vector-borne illnesses. The presence of rotting organic waste generates foul odors and releases harmful gases, impacting air quality and respiratory health. Number 3, tourism and economic repercussions. Jamaica's tourism industry, a vital source of revenue, is significantly affected by garbage pollution. Unsightly littered beaches and polluted coastal waters deter tourists, resulting in an economic loss for businesses and communities dependent on tourism. Now we take a look at some solutions and initiatives. Addressing garbage pollution requires a multifaceted approach involving government, communities, businesses, and individuals. The following measures can help mitigate the problem. Number 1, strengthen waste management infrastructure. Invest in improving waste collection systems, establishing recycling centers, and constructing waste treatment plants. Adequate infrastructure will facilitate efficient waste disposal and promote recycling practices. Promote public awareness and education. Launch comprehensive public awareness campaigns to educate Jamaican citizens about the importance of waste management and recycling. Engaging schools, community organizations, and media outlets can also help to spread the message effectively. Implement stricter regulations and enforcement. Enforce existing laws on waste disposal and implement fines and penalties for littering and illegal dumping. Strengthening regulations will create a deterrent effect and encourage responsible waste management practices. Number 4, encourage recycling and sustainable practices. We need to foster a culture of recycling by incentivizing businesses and individuals to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Promote the use of biodegradable products and introduce recycling programs in schools, public spaces, and commercial areas. We also need to foster community participation. Engage local communities through cleanup campaigns, recycling drives, and volunteer initiatives. Encouraging active community involvement will create a sense of ownership, pride, and responsibility for waste management. Garbage pollution poses a significant environmental and health challenge in Jamaica. To safeguard the island's natural beauty, protect ecosystems, and ensure the well-being of its citizens, immediate action is crucial. By investing in a waste management infrastructure, promoting public awareness, and implementing effective regulations, Jamaica can strive towards a cleaner and healthier future. Together, let us work towards combating garbage pollution and preserving the pristine beauty that defines Jamaica. If you found anything interesting or informative in this video, please leave a comment down below. And as of always, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.